everybody, welcome to today's video. Now I am kind of short on time, I think. Let me check.
You are.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna get started. So we're doing something new. We are using both of my keys. One key is hidden somewhere around in this area. I have to find it.
Wait,
No. I have to find it and use it to get out of these handcuffs. To get unhooked from the table. And whenever I'm unhooked from the table, there's also a second key hidden all the way out there. Okay, here we go.
Bounds.
I'm gonna hide the key. And he's sitting right there, so hopefully he doesn't peek.
Are you done?
No.
Good.
Kind of see
Are you
it.
done now?
Not yet. Kind of see it in there. It's not really focusing.
I'm now going to roll up my slevos. Bad mistake. Okay. Found the key was hidden in that shoe.
Okay, like you said,
Now-
you were short on time.
Yeah.
So I hit
here.
it in an easy spot.
So now we are going to go over here. Here's this key. Go into that. And we gotta go find the second one. Put myself back into cuff hands.
Cuff hands, is that a word now?
Cuff hands. Wait, yeah. Okay, here we go.
Wait, did you just handcuff yourself again before you got out there?
Yeah, I have to.
Oh.
That's the point. Now I gotta find this key. The second key. Okay, so here, come on. I was checking over there, see if
Rock!
Oh. So I was checking over there, and it wasn't working.
No!
Okay, so it didn't get recorded, but I just fell. No. And I found this other handcuff. It was in between those rocks. Come on. Boom. There we go. Okay, I know this is a short video. It's because I'm very, very short on time. But like and subscribe. Go check out my prank channel. Leave a link in the description. And that is the end of this video. Okay, yeah, that's the end of the video. Now, as I always say,